Hi everybody, it's Pamela. I had some chores to do outside today. I need to move all those sticks over there from the wood mill. I need to get them off the tarp, and I have to cut them down, but I'm not going to do the cutting today. But all that tarp is where the sawdust goes, and I'm saving the sawdust for the chicken coop, and I might even sell some. I'll bag it up. This time the sawdust got all wet, and I've already tried to dry the sawdust, and it takes forever, so I'm not going to try and dry it anymore. I got to keep this tarp cleared off so I can scoop it up right away while it's dry. But I need to move all these sticks over to where I'm going to cut them anyways, and get up the wet sawdust so that the tarp can dry for this weekend. I just worked at it slowly. You know, walking is a good low impact exercise, and I can't just, walk for the sake of walking. I have to be doing something. So I just plugged away at it, getting some fresh air, some exercise. It was breezy, so the black flies weren't very bad at all. Well, we've gone from sweltering to cold. It's going to be sweltering again this weekend. Anything that you can do like this when you have a chronic illness to just stay active. Just low impact. This is not that physical for me. Just walking back and forth. The sticks aren't heavy. And I went in for a rest. As you can see, I changed because it was getting warmer. But I had to go sit down for a while. So that's always something you can do in the middle of a chore. Just rest. I'll cut these up this weekend when my husband's working on the mill. They have to be cut up to go in between the boards. They're called stickers, which is a weird name. I'll show the stack of boards to you later. And that was really dumb. I got sawdust all over me. That other pile over there is just for kindling, which if anybody's local and they need kindling, I'm probably going to try and sell it. As usual, this is in fast forward. I'm moving rather slowly. There's all the chickens and the guinea hens. The guinea hens, as of yet, do not want to free range. They're 10 weeks old now. I'm hoping when they're 12, they'll be, big boys and girls and want to go out and get some ticks. I did go back in afterwards and raise that feeder. I had it really low because I had a guinea chick that was crippled and she couldn't stand up straight, so she couldn't reach it. But she passed away the other day. I don't know why, she just passed away. I'm only getting 2 eggs a day because I have 3 grown-up chickens and one of them's really old. She only lays once in a while. And the other 4 chickens are babies. I'm hoping to have eggs to sell. I don't know if anybody will be interested in guinea eggs. They're going to be moved to a separate coop because I don't want my chickens free-ranging. I like them to be protected. Back to the sawdust. This is all wet. All because I never got around to picking it up. It's wasted. My husband's going to have to finish because that board is too heavy for me to get out of the way. This is one of the stacks of lumber boards. Those are the stickers in between. And that's the other stack. That all came from one tree. This is our first tree that we've milled. Kind of amazing. And I just have some stuff to put away. I'll get around to cleaning up all this junk everywhere. Try to do a little bit every day. If I can keep from going into a bad flare where I don't want to do anything. I ended up just putting the stuff in there. I gotta put it away when I take the Kubota out, which we call the pumpkin, because it was in the way of the shelves. I just couldn't reach anything. So I'll do that another day. This I gave to the chickens for a dust bath, and they didn't know what to do with it, and an hour later they had dumped it out all over the ground, tipped it over. And I don't know if you can tell, but the guineas are scared of it. Like, what is that?
Nobody, huh?
Please subscribe to my channel. I would really love that. I'm gonna keep plugging away and doing more videos. I hope you like them.